Hey Inspirators, it's Inspiring Vanessa here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am super excited for today's video because I'm going to be trying on everything in my wardrobe, in my closet, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to be very tired after this. So please like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's just get straight into the video. I'll be trying to put all of like the brands or the clothing brands that I'm wearing, because I know that some people just don't want other people to know, which I think is a little bit weird. But I'll leave all the names in a corner somewhere so you guys can see where to get the different items if you like one of the items that I'm wearing. This is in no way to brag how many clothes I have. I have worked hard to get lots of these items, but I'm not going to defend myself because I know I have a very bad obsession with online shopping and just tops. So I'm probably going to start with tops first because those are the most type of clothing item I'm pretty sure I have. But this is also a great opportunity for me to kind of see what is at the bottom of my wardrobe and make me remember what I actually do have, and hopefully stop me from wanting to get more stuff. So first we're going to start off with tops. I really have nothing to say about the tops. I just really like them, and I think it's just because I'm such a Pinterest person. Like, if I don't know what to do, I'm literally just spend hours and hours just scrolling through Pinterest and looking at different fashion inspiration or different tops that I'd like to buy. Also, I am going to be filming a video which is called Buying My Dream Style, which is including quite a lot of these items, but also waiting on some new items that I've ordered. I think this is going to be the last order that I'm gonna do for a very long time because it's actually getting really bad now. But I have lots of tops that I've seen a few people wear. I've just bought tops because I think they're cute or I like the color of the design. I'm really not trying to defend myself because there's not really anything else to say. I just have a really bad top obsession. One of my favourite types of tops are ones with like big sleeves. They just look so cute, and because when I'm doing speaking engagements and trying to actually kind of be more not really glamorous, but trying to be classy but also a bit casual, so I'm not too dressed up but not too dressed down. So kind of having a really nice top which is kind of the central or vocal piece of the outfit is really helpful for me, which is probably why I have a lot of like extravagant tops and then just like a really plain like bottom, because that's just the way I roll when I'm walking up to a speaking engagement and I need to plan an outfit to wear for that specific event. So now we're going to move on to like jumpers, hoodies. I've got so many hoodies, it's actually really bad. I actually had no idea how many hoodies I had. This isn't even all of them. And it's so heavy. What is that I have? But they're all super comfortable. I'm pretty sure I've worn them all multiple times. It's not like a kind of item that I'd buy and then not wear them, because I literally just wear hoodies like most of the time. Not really recently, just because of like the weather. It's been like summery and spring, but in the winter you're definitely going to see me rocking some hoodies just 24/7, because that is basically all I would like to do. I've also got a few jumpers. They are really, really nice. I love crew necks. I bought one crew neck for like my birthday, and it was like, I love it. And if you just have it with a little collar, oh, so beautiful inside and out. So I really love like crew necks. I love the new style that's coming out. Also, argyle is such a cute trend. There will be some argyle on my next video, like to do with style, which is buying my dream style, so you'll definitely be seeing some argyle in that. But yeah, I just love sweaters, jumpers, hoodies, whatever you'd like to classify them as, but I just love them. They're super comfortable and they always keep me warm during the winter time / autumn time.
Is as normal, missing someone.
So next I'm moving on to the jacket, because gotta love jackets, like always. Because I have so many. I don't even know if I have a lot. This is also why I'm doing the video, because I really don't know. Yeah, I just don't know. So I don't think I had that many. I love leather jackets. I've got 3 different leather jackets. They're all like different colours. I've got just a plain black one, and I've also got like a pink one and a yellow one. Oh, and I've also got like a greenish one. So I've actually got 4, which is, well, actually the greenish one isn't really leather, but it's got the same design of a leather jacket, if that makes sense. And you guys will probably see, so like I don't sound like I'm speaking complete nonsense. But I really love my leather jackets, or just jackets in general. I've got a few that just kind of are so gorgeous. Like, I really have no other words to explain for them. But also jackets and blazers. Like, I'm in love with blazers. I just want to get every single blazer that I see, to be honest. I'm still looking for like a really nice colourful blazer for like speaking gigs, because they are so pretty and so gorgeous. But I did recently find a checkered like plaid blazer. I don't know, but I've been seeing them all over Instagram and Pinterest, and I got it in the charity shop in trade for like £8. I've seen people spending them for like 30 or 40 and more. So that was an amazing opportunity for me to get it, and I can't wait to be wearing this out when I actually have an event to go to, because you know I'm gonna be wearing this 24/7. That's all I'm gonna say. So now I'm moving on to bottoms. I've actually gotten some new bottoms, which I'm actually so happy about. They're basically these, I'm pretty sure, faux leather pants. They've got zips at the bottoms. They are so cute. One of my other favourite pair of jeans are like my cargo jeans, which is from Shein. Obviously you guys have seen me do a haul. There you go. I also got a brand new pair of jeans which are so gorgeous. I'm actually like obsessed with them, and they are like wide leg jeans. I've been wanting them for such a long time, and I got them in Zara. But otherwise I've got a few different pair of jeans. Most of them are just like the basic blue denim, but I've also got some others which are like different colours to kind of spice things up here and there as well. Kind of moving away from jeans or like denim. I've also got like a few tracksuit bottoms, so those are pretty cool when I'm like just lying at home or I've got an editing day. I can just pop those on and it's super comfortable. So I definitely recommend to invest in some grey sweater bottoms. What? we have like dresses and skirts. I'm just going to put them in like the same thing because I'm just gonna put them in the same like section. Dresses, like I love dresses, but like I don't wear them like all the time, but then I also love wearing dresses, so it's kind of weird for me. But the dresses that I do have are kind of very summery. I also have a few that are like for bigger events, which I'm not going to be wearing in this video because that is just too much effort to be tying up the whole back of the dresses, because that is basically where you have to go through all the strings and the ribbons. It's too much. Also skirts. I love wearing skirts, but then also it's not the best thing to have if I want to do something, because I can't really do much in a skirt, to be honest, unless it's a skirt, which whoever invented skirts is an absolute genius, because who would have thought that idea? So thank goodness that someone did invent that idea. But skirts are so cool. But I have a few different skirts. I don't actually have that many because I'm not the type of skirt person. I love wearing jeans more often because I'm just more comfortable in them, or I just feel more confident in them. But I do have quite a few like dresses and skirts. But I'm definitely looking to wear more of them and figure out different ways to style them as well, so I can kind of upgrade my wardrobe without buying new things and just learning how to style different things so it looks different but it is the same item. And the final thing I'm going to show you is shoes. I know it's not really a clothing item, but I'm just going to show you guys anyways. But I love my shoes, like my heels, my trainers, whatever it is, but they're all super cool. I never really saw myself as a shoe person. I think I am basically going into a shoe type of person, or a sneakerhead. Don't ask me why I'm just doing random American accents during this video, because I really don't know either. But I am really starting to like shoes, or like just like the way they look, because it really does make a whole outfit come together. So those are all the pairs of shoes that I do have. But some shoes that I really want maybe for Christmas is the Nike Air Jordan 1s. All the different colours are so just immaculate. I just can't describe it into words, but I really want a pair of Nike Air Jordans. But now it is the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. But make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And make sure to click the notification bell, because that way you'll get notified every single time I post a brand new video. Perhaps about style, maybe about inspiration. You never really know what kind of content I'm going to come out with. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Me rambling and talking about how much I love each and every item in my wardrobe. And just trying on everything and seeing what I actually own, which is probably going to be very enlightening for me. So thank you for tuning in today. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!